Hi folks, we're back out here today with the Mossberg 500 in 410, and we've got a couple of targets down here to shoot. We've taken out our plug so we can put in 6 rounds. We're only going to put 5 in this first time around, and we've got a we got a can of pop, some playing cards, some wood blocks, and a water bottle to shoot. So let's see what this thing will do. First off, we'll shoot the pop bottle, our pop can. Next up, the water bottle. Playing cards. You got that last playing card. Okay, as you can see that we got that handled. We've got 4 wood blocks down there on the bottom. We're going to have 4 shots left. So let's get out there, shoot those last 4 blocks. Well, as you can see, this little baby does the trick. It does pretty good on shooting those wood blocks and the pop cans and everything else. So let's say Mossberg 410. We're using AA shells. These are just the 2.5 inchers. Number size 8 shot. So I appreciate y'all watching. You have a wonderful day and please subscribe.